Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel ITI Solution. I am Riya Dutta and today we discuss about DRDO question paper for electrical trade. Okay, let's start. The first question is yoke of generator made by option A cast iron, option B copper, option C graphite and option D aluminium. And the correct answer is option A cast iron. Actually, the outer frame of DC machine is called yoke. Yoke made by cast iron or cast steel. For small DC machine, yoke made by cast iron, and for large machine, it is made by cast steel. This yoke not only provides mechanical strength to the whole assembly, but also carries the magnetic flux provides by field winding. Next question. Insulation resistance test by option A earth tester, option B multimeter, option C Megger and option D CRO cathode ray oscilloscope. And the correct answer is option C Megger. Megger is known as insulation tester. It is a portable instrument to measure high insulation resistance. Works on the principle of electromagnetic induction, and this is an analog type portable Megger. Next question, which motor is used in machine tools? Option A compound motor, option B shunt motor, option C series motor and option D all of them. Correct answer is option B shunt motor. Shunt motor is an almost constant speed motor used for driving constant speed lathe, centrifugal pump, woodworking machines, reciprocating pumps, machine tools, washing machine, milling machine, grinder, small printing press, paper machine, metal cutting machine, etc. all kinds of machine tools. Okay, then next question is which motor cannot start without load? Option A shunt motor, option B compound motor, option C series motor and option D none of them. And the correct answer is option C series motor. A series motor should never be started at no load because when the motor is connected across the supply without load, it draws a small current from the supply and this amount of current may burn the armature coil. Next question, unit of torque. Option A Newton meter, option B Pascal, option C ampere per Weber and option D radian. And the correct answer is Newton meter. Because we know torque equal to force multiply distance and the unit of force is Newton and distance measured by meter. So torque is measured in Newton meter and Pascal is the unit of pressure. Then next question, equalizer ring used in option A ring winding, option B wave winding, option C lap winding and option D all of the above. And the correct answer is option C lap winding. The equalizer rings are used in lap winding because there are more parallel paths in lap winding than in wave winding. So to reduce the unequal current distribution at brushes and also reduce the sparking between the carbon brushes and commutator, equalizer ring is used in lap winding. Okay, next question. For a carbon brush drop is option A 0.5 volt, option B 2 volt, option C 10 volt and option D 12 volt. And the correct answer is of course option B 2 volt. Because in DC machine there have two brushes and so voltage drop is 2 volt. 1 voltage for each brushes. Actually, the main function of brush is to collect current from the commutator. Usually, these brushes are made up of carbon or graphite. The number of brushes used in DC machine is equal to the number of parallel paths. So, the voltage drop across the brush contact is around 2 volts. Next question. very sensitive speed control motor with low efficiency. Option A, thyristor speed control. Option B, rheostat control method. Option C, armature control method. And option D, Ward-Leonard method. Correct answer is option D, Ward-Leonard method. What is Ward-Leonard method? Ward-Leonard method of speed control system is used where a very wide and very sensitive speed control is required. This speed control is mainly used in colliery windows, cranes, mines, hoist, elevators, steel rolling machine, paper machine, etc. Next question. Starter is used in motor. Why starter is used in motor? Option A, to start a motor. Option B, to limit the starting current. Option C, to control the motor. And option D, to insulate the motor. And of course, the correct answer is option B, to limit the starting current. At the time of starting, motor is stationary. There is no back EMF in the armature because the speed is 0. If the motor is directly switched on to the mains, the armature will draw a heavy current because of small amount of armature resistance. This heavy current may result in burning the armature due to excessive heat effect, and so that damaging the commutator and brushes due to heavy sparking. Excessive voltage drop occurs. In order to avoid this, starter resistance is inserted in series with the motor. Okay, clear? Then next question. In arc welding, which generator is suitable? Option A, series generator. Option B, shunt generator. Option C, differential compound generator. And option D, cumulative compound generator. And the correct answer is option C, differential compound generator. This generator used for welding purpose should have high current and low voltage. Differential compound generator provides higher voltage at no load to initiate arc, but when arc is formed, it provides the lower voltage. Clear? Next question. The residual magnetism is present in DC machine. Option A, 2 to 3%, option B, 10 to 15%, option C, 20 to 25%, and option D, 50 to 75%. And the correct answer is, of course, option A, only 2 to 3%. In DC machine, residual magnetism is present because of previous running. It is also provide some no load voltage, and the residual magnetism is 2 to 3% only. Next question. 3-point starter is used for. Option A, for shunt motor. Option B, shunt and compound motor. Option C, series shunt and compound motor. And option D, none of the above. And we know the correct answer is option B, shunt and compound motor, because 3-point starter not used for series motor. In series motor, 2-point starter is used. Okay, I hope all are clear. Then okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.